So this USDCAD analysis for Friday the 2nd of February. Now, let's have a look what happened price where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices sell off from this 123.34. We've come down towards this 122.60. Had a brief pullback for a test of this 123.34 of 23.34. We've had this consolidation beneath 23.34. Another test, and we did see a breakdown back down towards 22.60. Now, the fact that we are having some buy side momentum coming into the market here at the 22.60, possibly suggesting we may be developing a bit of a base. We are in a pretty strong, most recent trend has been to the downside against the US dollar against the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. The most recent trend has been to the downside and has been fairly strong. So expecting a move upwards would be somewhat counter trend, but we do appear to be putting a bit of a base in around this 22.60. So if we continue to hold this 22.60, we're looking for price head back up towards that 23.34 for another test. We've tested on 2 occasions now previously, so another test we might potentially see a break. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close. Pretty much at the 23.40 level, so it's about 6 or so pips. And by the time we do get up there above this 34, if we were to successfully navigate the 23.34, we'd have to be aware of the 23.55. So it's a very tight zone where we do have quite a bit of resistance. But if we do get sufficient market volatility, we could pretty much just trade through this level that we do have quite a bit of resistance in around this 23.55 and 23.34, as well as the 200 period moving average. It does appear to be a pretty strong sell zone, but if we do get sufficient market volatility to break above this zone, we are looking for price head up towards this 124. In around the 124, we've got the 400 period moving average. We'll see whether it does act as dynamic resistance, possibly having a retracement from there back down to possibly finding support in around 23.55, from which we could potentially see a bounce all the way up to this 24.26. If we don't find resistance at the 400 period moving average, currently sitting at 124, we'll be looking for price head up to this major level here, marked out in red at 124.26. Now, if this 22.60 does not hold, and if we do see a further sell side momentum coming into the market, we'll see a price react in around 22.21. If we do see a bit of a bounce from there, possibly bring us back up to this 123 or 122.60. If we were to break down beneath this 122.21, we would be looking for prices to head down to 21.71, and a break from which we're looking for price head down to our most recent swing low from 2017 in around the 120.63 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.